Now let us start. Question number 4. See, the question number 4 is what? From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution by any algebraic method. Means you can apply substitution or elimination or Cramer. The easy way is elimination method, and the most popular method is also elimination method. So we apply elimination. You can apply substitution or cross multiplication. Okay, whatever you like. First, a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed, and the remaining depends on the number of days one has to taken food in the mess. Means अगर તમે મેસમાં જમો કે ના જમો અમુક ચાર્જ સમ એમાઉન્ટ ઇઝ ફિક્સ ચાર્જ એ તમારે આપવાનો જ છે. વી સપોઝ દેટ વી શુડ ધ ફિક્સ ચાર્જ ઇઝ રૂપીઝ એક્સ દેટ વી શુડ હેવ ટુ પે કમ્પલસરી. તમે ઘરે જતા રહો બરાબર વેકેશનમાં તો પણ તમારે અમુક રૂપિયા તો ફિક્સ ચાર્જ આપવાનો જ છે. હવે બીજું શું છે કે રિમેનિંગ ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ વન હેઝ ટુ ટેકન ફૂડ. ઓકે, and it remaining is depend on number of days. તમે જેટલા ટાઈમ ફૂડ લો, જેટલા દિવસ ત્યાં ફૂડ જમો એટલો ટાઈમ તમારે ચાર્જ આપવાનો છે. સો વી સપોઝ વોટ લેટ ફિક્સ ચાર્જ ઇઝ રૂપીઝ એક્સ and the cost of food per day, let fixed charge is rupees x and cost of food per day, suppose rupees y. Okay, now the statement: when a student A, capital A, takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. Okay, she has to pay 1000 rupees. 20 days student A takes food. So for student A, equation is what? Fixed charge x, per day rupees y, so 20 days 20y, one has to pay 1000 rupees. And for student B, fixed charge x and student B takes food for 26 days, so x rupees and 26y, the total charge she has to pay 1180. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. Now find the fixed charge and per day charge. Simple. From 1 and 2 eliminate. Elimination is very simple method. See, x plus 20y equals to 1000. X plus 26y equals to 1180. Change the sign. Plus x and minus x cancel. 20 minus 26 minus 6y. 1180 minus 1000 is 180, and sign is of bigger number, minus 180. Minus minus plus, 6 moves other side. 180 divided by 6, so y equals to 30. Okay, place this value in equation number 1. Equation 1, that is x plus 20y equals to 1000. So x plus 20, y is 30, equals to 1000. 30 into 20, 600, equals to 1000. Plus 600, move other side. 1000 minus 600. So x equals to 400. So what is your answer? Fixed charge is rupees 400 and cost of food rupees 30 per day. Very cheap, isn't it? Okay, now question number 2. Say you can take a snap also or repeat this video and try to understand and also write down. See, number 2, a fraction becomes 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to denominator. find the fraction. Let numerator is x and denominator is y. Therefore, fraction is x upon y. Okay? Now the statement is what? Fraction becomes 1/3, means 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. So x minus 1, the answer is 1 upon 3. Second statement, it becomes 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to denominator. 8 is added to denominator, the answer is 1 upon 4, yes. Now cross multiplication gives you equation, and after that eliminate. 3 into x minus 1 equals to y 1 y. 4x equals to 1 into y plus 8. So here it is 3x minus 3 equals to y, and here 4x equals to y plus 8. So 3x minus y minus 3 move other side plus 3, and 4x minus y equals to 8. Equation number 1, equation number 2, eliminate. So from 1 and 2, see, minus y is there. If you change the sign, you can eliminate y. So 3x minus y equals to 3, and 4x minus y equals to 8. Change the sign, plus change to minus, minus change to plus, plus change to minus. Plus y and minus y will be cancelled. 3 minus 4 is minus x, and 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Both the side minus, 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 plus, so x equals to 5. Place this value in equation number 1 or 2. We select 1. 3x minus y equal to 3. X is 5 minus y equal to 3. 3 5s are 15 minus y equal to 3. Is it okay? So 15, take plus 3 this side minus 3, and minus y this side plus y. So 12 equal to y. So what is your answer? Fraction becomes x upon y. X is 5 and y is 12. This is your answer. Okay? Now number 3. See, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deduced for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in test? Means right and wrong. Total questions. So we suppose what? Let the number of yes right answer is x and wrong answer is y. Third number, let yes right answer in the test is x and wrong answer is y. Okay? Now again read this properly and carefully. Yes score 40 marks. बराबर? and 40 marks आ जाए क्या रहे? Getting 3 marks for each right answer. Right answer total कितना है ना? x. One answer 3 mark. So x answer he got 3x marks for right. He got. Okay, and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. How many wrong answer? See at given y. 1 mark for each answer. So 1 multiplied by y, he'll lose it. So minus y, and after that the total score is 40. This is your equation number 1. Now second equation. 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. Total number of correct answer is x. So 4 mark is awarded. 4x. So he got 4x marks and 2 marks been deducted. So total number of wrong answer is y. So 2 marks is deducted, 2y minus 2y. After that he got 50 marks. 50 marks. Okay, this is your second. Now see, in the second equation you can divide the second equation by 2. 2x minus y equals to 25. So now eliminate 1 and 3. So from 1 and 3. 1 is what? 3x minus y equal to 40. Third number is 2x minus y equals to 25. Change the sign. Plus y and minus y will be cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1x and 40 minus 25 is 15. Place this value in equation number 1. 3x minus y equals to 40. 3 into 15 minus y equals to 40. Okay, simplify. 15 3s are 45 plus 40 take this side, minus 40 and minus y take this side, plus y. So y equal to what? 5. So question is what? Question is how many questions were there in the test? See, right answer 15 and wrong answers 5. So total number of questions in the test is 15 plus 5, total 20. 20 is your answer. Okay, got it? Okay, now number 4. See, question number 4. Yes, most important for exam point of view, for your board exam. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. See, try to understand very carefully. Place A and B. Suppose this is Ahmedabad, this is Bombay or Baroda. And the total distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda is 100 km. So places A and B are 100 km apart from each other. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. Okay, one car, suppose car A starts from A, moves in this direction, and another car B also starts at the same time, and they travel in the same direction with different speed. So suppose let speed of the car A is x kilometer per hour and speed of the car B, suppose y kilometer per hour. Okay, see, the statement is what? Car A starts from point A, moves in suppose this direction. At the same time, car B starts with different speed but move in the same direction, means it moves in this direction. The given is what? They meet in 5 hours. After 5 hours, they will meet. Means naturally you can say that speed of the car A is more, because car A covers 100 km distance and after that certain distance, and they meet at point, suppose here C. And B, the speed is very slow. So after 5 hours it cover only distance BC. See, I can write this. So after 5 hours, car A covers how much distance? 100 km plus BC, this much kilometer. And after 5 hours, car B covers only BC kilometer, this. And after that they will meet at point C. Okay, after 5 hours. See, Now it means what? It means what is the speed of the car? X kilometer per hour. It means it cover X kilometer in 1 hour. For car A, in 1 hour, it cover X kilometer distance covered. So in 5 hours, it cover how much? That is equals to 5x kilometer distance. In 5 hours, car A covers this much. So I can write 100 plus BC equal to 5x. Is it okay? Now for car B, in 1 hour, car B covers y kilometer distance. So after 5 hours, it covers how much? 5y kilometer. And after 5 hours, car B covers how much? BC. So 5y equals to BC. Compare 1 and 2 or place the value of BC in number 1. So I can write from 1 and 2, 100 plus 5y equals to 5x. If you take plus 5y this side, 100 equal to 5x minus 5y. Divide each term by 5. So 20 equals to x minus y. Equation number 3. Okay? Now another statement. See, if the car travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. Now if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. They travel towards each other, means car A travel in this direction and car B travel in this direction. They will meet in 1 hour, means you know that up in 1 hour car A cover x kilometer. Suppose car A cover x kilometer and come to this point. And in 1 hour car B covers y kilometer and comes to this point, and they meet again here. Means after 1 hour, car A covers x kilometer and car B covers y kilometer, and they meet. Means total distance x plus y is equal to what? How much? Total distance is 100 kilometer given. Yes. So this is your equation number 4. And now eliminate from 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 100. X minus y equals to 20. Cancel. 2x equals to 120. X equals to 120 divided by 2. So x equals to 60. But we have x plus y equals to 100. Place the value. 60 plus y equals to 100. So y equals to 100 minus 60. Therefore, y equals to 40. Means speed of car A is 60 km per hour and speed of car B is equals to 40 km per hour. Check. In 1 hour, car A covers 60 km. That means after 5 hours, car covers 300 km. And car B covers 200 km. Means 100 km this and then 200. So they will meet. Okay. Once again I repeat. Suppose speed of the car is x and speed of the car B is y. Now after 5 hours, car covers how much? Car A covers how much kilometer? Because both the car move in the same direction. So car A covers in this direction and car B also covers the same direction. So suppose after 5 hours they will meet at point C. Means car A covers 100 km plus this much, that is BC. And car B covers only BC. Okay. Now according to the speed, find out the distance. So car A speed is x km per hour. Means in 1 hour it covers x kilometer. Therefore in 5 hours how much? 5x. So After 5R, car A covers 100 plus BC, that is equals to 5x. Same manner, car B, in 1 hour it covers y kilometer, therefore in 5 hours it covers 5y kilometer. So 5y equals to BC. Place the value of BC, that is equals to 5y. In this equation number 1, you will get 100 plus 5y equals to 5x. Is it okay? Now, if they move towards each other, then after 1 hour they will meet. Means car A covers x kilometer in 1 hour, car B covers y kilometer in 1 hour, and they meet. So it covers suppose this much kilometer and B covers this much kilometer, means this is x, this is y, x plus y equals to 100. This is x kilometer, this is y kilometer, total distance cover is 100. And now from number 3 and 4 you will eliminate. Okay? Now question number 5. Area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit. Area of rectangle, so you have to suppose about length and breadth. Let length equals to x meter and breadth equals to y meter. Area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5. If length is reduced by 5 means x minus 5. You know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length into and breadth is increased by 3. Length multiplied by breadth. Breadth is suppose y plus 3. The area is what? Reduced to 9 square unit. So area of the rectangle is x into y reduced to 9. Length into breadth. Open the bracket. X, y. X into 3, that is 3x, minus 5y, plus minus minus, 5 3s are 15, equals to xy minus 9. Both the sides same term, xy cancel. 3x minus 5y equals 2. Take minus 15 other side, plus 15 minus 9. So 3x minus 5y equals to 6. This is equation number 1. Now another statement. If we increase the length by 3 unit, means now x plus 3, length multiplied by breadth, and breadth by 2 unit, breadth also increased by 2 unit, then original area, that is x into y, is also increased by 67 square unit, plus 67. Original area, length into breadth. Open the bracket, x into y, x into 2, 2x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 2s are 6 equals to xy plus 67. Both the sides same term, xy cancel. So here 2x plus 3y equals to 67 minus 6. So 2x plus 3y equals to 61. Equation number 2. Now to eliminate, suppose if you want to eliminate x or y, we eliminate y. Multiply equation number 1 by 3. 3 multiplied here and 5 multiplied here. And equation 2 by 5. To make y same. If you multiply equation 1 by 3, then 3 3s are 9x minus 3 5s are 15y, 6 3s are 18. Multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10x, 5 3s are 15y, 61 5s are 305. No need to change the sign because plus 15y and minus 15y is already there. 10 plus 9, 19x, 305 plus 18, 323. So x equals to what? 323 divided by 19. Now say the table of 19. 19 2s are 38, so 19 1s are 19. 32 minus 19. 13. 133 sevens are. So x equals to 17. Now we have one equation, suppose 3x minus 5y equals to 6. Place the value of x minus 5y equal to 6. 17 3s are 51 minus 5y equal to 6. 51 minus 6 minus 5y, take other side, plus 5y. 51 minus 6 is 45 equals to 5y. Therefore, y equals to 45 divided by 5. So y equals to 9. Okay, 17 units. Here 9 units, because question is given in units. What is the last question? Find the dimension of the rectangle. Dimension means length and breadth. So length is 17 units and breadth is 9 units. Okay, this is your exercise 3.5. Do it, repeat this problem sum again and again, note down it, right? That's it.